In this video, I will be showing you how to use Honeybook for scheduling and booking online. For that, the process is very simple and easy, and in this video, I will be telling you exactly about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what we're gonna look forward into is to fast scheduling and how the scheduling process works in the Honeybook. So Honeybook can help you out in these things. So Honeybook can let you set the availability on your calendars, like for your working hours. And if you are done with that, you can customize events and, for example, that are calls, meetings, and other things with duration and details. And you can even sign calendars like iCloud and Google Calendar for seamless scheduling, and then share booking link. Let the client book directly using your link, animate reminders to the clients, and track bookings. So you don't have to worry about anything, and you won't be missing anything if you use it. So how you guys can get it? So go to the honeybook.com, and I'll provide the link in the description below. So once you're in the honeybook.com, select the tools that you want, for example, the book and schedule, and go to the start free trial or get an account if you already have. Go to the USA or Canada if you're based in that country, and if you're not from that country, just go with somewhere else. And within that, just provide your company email, your current country you are based in, and after that, just simply say yes, notify me, and that would work. And that is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, share, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.